My name is David Best. I am an accessibility specialist supporting organizations with digital communication best practices that help grow market population share. It is important that you understand how people interact with your web content. Some people use the mouse, some use the keyboard, some use touchscreens, while others use assistive technologies like a head pointer or screen reader. Statistics Canada reports that about 15% of Canadians live with a significant disability, physical or sensory. And if you include the aging population and environmental and temporary medical conditions, that increases significantly. In this demonstration, I will be using the JAWS screen reader with the Google Chrome browser on a Surface Pro 7 Windows 10 laptop. So let's get started.
Shift F9.
I am on the WeTech homepage, and I am going to share the screen reader user experience on this web page with regard to navigating and interacting with web page elements. And it's important that you understand the user experience in acting with the web page and not depend on third-party quick fix solutions that don't work. So I am going to go to the top of the page. I am at the top of the page, and I'm not touching the keyboard, but I am getting a lot of JAWS feedback. There's obviously a carousel on this page that constantly rotates, and I am having a difficult time trying to navigate because I have to deal with this carousel. So the first thing I want to do is look at the layout, because the layout defines main regions, navigation, footers, and it helps me get orientated to what this website is actually about. So let's press the R. So I see there's a quick accessibility, navigation, main region, and that's it. There's no footer. There's no sub-regions in the main name area. Now there is a quick accessibility menu here, and these are extremely non-productive for screen reader users, and I'm going to demonstrate that. So I'm going to look at the headers, who we are.
Our vision heading level 3. Log 4 trends that could have a massive impact on tourism businesses in Windsor-Essex. Log 4 trends that could have a massive impact on tourism businesses in Windsor-Essex. 4 trends that could have a our vision heading level 3.
Now you'll notice that there is somewhat of a heading hierarchy here, but the text is all uppercase, and this makes it very difficult for screen readers to pronounce things properly because it assumes that all uppercase means it's an acronym or short form. So it's best not to use all uppercase, but use CSS to style text.
Thriving on our network heading level 3. Featured videos heading level 2.
So there's a heading 2.
Become a client heading level 3. Employers 3. What we do heading level 2. WLETIC Alliance in Business Acceleration heading level 5.
Oh, it jumps to 5.
Tech needs build and engage tech community heading level 5. Championing tech and innovation heading tech news heading level 2. WLETIC Alliance client impact cold upcoming events heading level 2. Fireside chat vertical bar window impact tech heading level 3 link.
I see events.
Tech news Wednesday wisdom networking event heading level 3 link. WLETIC Alliance Big Data and AI 2022 Summit left parent Toronto right parent heading level 3 link.
Okay, you see I'm having a difficult time here understanding because I keep getting the carousel. I'm going to see if I can get a list of headers, see if that helps.
Heading list dialog. Heading list view. We are :2. 1 of 22.
So there's 22 headers here.
Home. Our vision :3. Our mission our network featured videos. Become a client. What we do business acceleration. Build and engage tech. Championing tech and innovate. Tech news :2. Upcoming events Fireside chat vertical. Wednesday wisdom network. Big data and AI 20. First steps in exploring. Tech Connect Thursday featuring Rocket. Tech it out. Monthly newsletter navigation :3. Location :3. Contact :3. Connect with US
And that's
3.
The headers. So I see that there's a number of headers here that I can click on. I'm going to go to the top.
We are :2.
And I'm going to skip out of this. Now, what I want to see is what are the accessibility tree elements on this page.
This page contains 54 links.
So I know there's 54 links.
There are 3 regions. Tech news, no hiring, digital marketing, and social media cohort. There are 22 headings.
So there's 22 headings, and I saw that in my list.
WS5 at level 2.
So it starts at level 2. There is no level heading 1.
WLEDIC Alliance 13 at level 3. Tech news 1 at level 4. 3 at level 5. There are 7 forms.
And there's 7 forms. So I know there's some buttons and
WLEDIC Alliance TZK95-escape. WLEDIC Alliance.
So I see the regions
Moving
are
targets,
not clearly defined. The headers are all
WLEDIC Alliance welcomes new directors and
within a landscape.
WLEDIC Alliance client impact.
The headers are all in a hierarchy, and I am unable to understand because I keep getting interrupted. So I'm going to look and see what the links are.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Who we are. 1 of 54. To move the items, use the arrow keys.
So there's 54 links on this page, and I'm going to go down.
What we do. How we help. Get connected. Tech jobs. Become a client.
So far, so good.
https://www.facebook.com/WLEDIC Alliance. https://www.
So these links have no text description.
https number 519.997 number.
Now there's one just number.
519.997.2863.
And there's one just a number.
info@WLEDIC-alliance.com. Francis. https://w https site logo.
Links with no labels.
Sticky header site logo. Who we are. What we do. How we help. Get connected. Tech jobs. Become a client. Let's get started. Number.
And there's something just number.
Number. Let's get started. Learn more.
So there's a couple of here that let's get started and learn more. These don't mean anything to me because they don't have a associated text as to what I'm going to learn.
Read all news. View all events. Fireside chat. Wednesday with Big Data and AI 2022. First steps. Tech Connect. Sign up. Home. Who we are. What we do. Tech news. Events. Contact.
So it looks like there's a navigation at the bottom, but I didn't see that in the region.
https://
Let's get out of here. So the problem with regions is
digital marketing and social media. Quick accessibility menu region.
There's a quick accessibility.
Navigation region.
There's the navigation.
Main region.
There's the main, but I skipped over a whole bunch of content which is not within a region, and that's considered orphan content because I can't get to it by navigating by region or header.
Link tech jobs. Link collapse menu list of 6 items. Navigation region. Visited link site logo. Navigation region.
Okay, let's go to the
main region.
Bottom of the main
region end. Client
okay, here's the main region end.
Heading level 4. Check it out. Monthly newsletter.
And I see there is content there, but it's not within a footer region.
Get the latest tech news. Events. Link sign up. WLEDIC Alliance logo graphic. Heading level 3 navigation. List of 6 items. Visited link home.
There's the navigation.
List of 6 items. Heading level 3 navigation.
And you see that it is a header and it's not in a region, and it really doesn't tell me what kind of navigation this is. If it's a website, internet,
list of 6 items.
External, internal.
Visited link contact. List end. Heading level 3 location.
Okay, and here again we got a heading 3, but no
tech news, no footer map graphic.
Location.
Link heading left choice entrepreneurship 2450 located Windsor on N9B0.
So I see this is the address.
Heading level link. WLEDIC Alliance.
Now at the bottom there's just a link.
Link.
Here. Link.
Link. Link. Link. All images, designs and content copyright 2020.
So you can see how difficult it is to understand the content relationships. I'm going to look at the images because images should tell you a lot.
Sticky header logo visited link graphic.
Now this tells me sticky header. I have no idea what that is. Oh, it's a logo, but it doesn't describe.
WLEDIC graphic.
Okay, here it just says who we are. Now alt text should describe the image.
Business acceleration graphic. Thriving under pressure and entrepreneurship. Image module graphic.
It just says image module. That doesn't help.
Image module graphic. Employers hiring in tech right now. WLEDIC Alliance logo graphic.
Okay.
Footer map graphic.
So there's a number of images, but I have no idea
opportunity alerts govern
what they actually look like.
WLEDIC Alliance dash home. Tech news no hiring.
Okay, what I want to look at now is the short
Tech NEWS, the quick accessibility menu. Skip the main content button. Enable
the accessibility. So there's a
log 4 trends that could have a massive impact on tourism businesses in Windsor-Essex. Log 4.
Boy, it's annoying.
WLEDIC Alliance driving.
Okay, so there is an enable accessibility.
Open the accessibility menu. Quick accessibility menu.
I can open the
accessibility
menu.
But list of 6 items. Accessibility menu button. WLEDIC Alliance client. Quick accessibility menu region N.
Okay.
Moving targets colon commu
I just
factory.
want to check something. I'm going to go down to the main region.
Main region.
And I'm going to
WLEDIC
down
Alliance.
arrow.
WLEDIC Alliance TCK Night 5 dash.
Now this is blank, but I assume this is where the carousel
Windsor
is.
dash. We can help you expand your established business.
And I am on
WLEDIC Alliance Innovation
the
Catalyst dash
carousel,
Women's
I
Entrepreneurship
believe.
Strategy Cohort. WLEDIC Alliance Client Impact Med Health Summit dash Old Foot Fair. Thriving under pressure and entrepreneurship. Blog Thriving under pressure and entrepreneurship. Blog Thriving under pressure and entrepreneurship. Tech News, August 30th, 2022.
Okay,
Tech
it's
News
just sitting
WLEDIC
there,
unveils
so
5
it's not
startups in
showing
2022
me.
cohort of its annual Scale Up Accelerator. Pro link. Let's get started.
Okay, let's go back up. I
WLEDIC
want to
Alliance
look.
skip the main content button. Enable accessibility for open the accessibility menu button.
I want to look at open
Tech
the
News, no
accessibility.
hiring,
Now
colon,
there's
digital
two
mark-
buttons here. Open the
Quick
accessibility.
accessibility menu region N.
Outside of the region,
Accessibility menu button.
there's an accessibility menu button. I assume they're the same thing. But anyways, let's open the
Log
menu.
forward space. Accessibility menu button to activate. Press enter. Heading level 1 to close the link how user way works dash redirect to oversized widget. Rapid oversized widget
Okay,
toggle
here's
oversized widget option checkbox
oversized. I
not
can
enable
check
enhanced
that.
contract highlight links toggle button.
Now I want to go through this
dash S6 enable oversized
and see
WLEDIC
what
Alliance
kind of things I can do.
enable enhanced contrast toggle
Enable enhanced contrast. That does not help a screen reader who's blind.
highlight links toggle button.
Highlight
WLEDIC Alliance
links.
welcome
No,
to
that
directors and
doesn't
advisors.
help.
Enable bigger text toggle button.
Enable, no.
Increase text spacing toggle button.
No.
Windsor dash pause animations toggle button.
Now possibly this will help. So I'm going to press
WLEDIC Alliance space
spacebar.
animations pause toggle button press to toggle the state press
So it should pause
enable
animation.
dyslexia friendly font toggle button.
No, font.
Enable enhanced cursor toggle button. Press enter to enable tooltips toggle button.
Tooltips.
Increase line height toggle button. Change text to line toggle button. Tech need change saturation toggle button.
All of these are for visual effects.
Reset all accessibility.
The only one
Opportunity
that
alerts
may
government
help
account.
me in this setting is the animation.
Tech news. WLEDIC Alliance skip the main enable accessibility for open the accessibility menu button. Accessibility menu button. Tech need to close the accessibility menu button.
Okay,
Rapid
let's
dash fire
close
questions with
the
cable space. WLEDIC
menu.
Alliance dash home. WLEDIC Alliance dash
So
home.
I said pause the animation,
WLEDIC main region. We can help you expand your established business.
and I don't think it's paused.
3 Windsor Essex companies among 100 high
Okay,
impact
so
Canadian
I'm
startups
still
selected to
getting
participate in innovative new program.
some
AC Colon
feedback.
Studio. Tech new link. Let's get started.
Okay, so what I need
WLEDIC
to
Alliance
do,
dash home. Skip the enable accessibility. Open the accessibility menu button. Accessibility menu button. WLEDIC Alliance welcomes new directors and
Okay,
advisors.
let's-
Space. Accessibility user way main region. Heading level 1 accessibility. Close the link out user way oversized with enable enhanced highlight links to enable bigger to increase text spacing. Animations pause toggle space. User way accessibility menu frame. Main region. Animations pause increase text spacing pause animations toggle button.
okay, so I reset
Increase
the
enable highlight links to
the
oversized
animations
widget.
on.
Link out user way close the accessibility menu
And I'm
button.
gonna close
Enter.
it.
WLEDIC Alliance dash WLEDIC Alliance dash home. Tech any double skip the main content button.
So you can see that it can get
WLEDIC
very
Alliance
frustrating
enable
with these carousels. Now here's the enable accessibility. So I'm going to press spacebar
Tech
to
news no hiring
enable
colon digital
that.
marketing
Maybe
and social
that'll
media
help.
board space.
Okay, so
WLEDIC
I
Alliance TC.
did press
Log.
spacebar.
August open the accessibility enable accessibility for visually impaired button.
Now you'll see it says for
Log forward
visually
trend, tab A message.
impaired, which is a misleading
WLEDIC Alliance Innovation
message
Catalyst dash Women's
because
Entrepreneurship Strategy Cohort.
it
WLEDIC
doesn't
Alliance
help
Client
blind
Impact
people,
colon Med Health
but
Summit dash Old Foot
possibly
Fair. Rapid
low vision people. Here, let's try spacebar
3
again.
Windsor space.
No.
WLEDIC Alliance Client
Oh,
Impact
there
colon
we
open
go.
the accessibility disable accessibility for visually impaired button. Moving targets colon
Okay, so now we got the disabled.
skip the main content but disable accessibility for visually impaired button. WLEDIC Alliance
Okay,
zero
so
scale.
the accessibility features on.
Main region. Windsor
gonna-
dash Essex left quote. We can help you expand your established business. WLEDIC Alliance driving.
Okay,
your
I'm
working
still
colon
getting the
Windows 10. WLEDIC
carousel.
Alliance client link. Let's get started. We can help you expand your established business.
Okay.
Employers hiring in tech
No.
right now.
Okay,
WLEDIC.
let's go.
Skip the main disable accessibility for visually impaired button. Open the accessibility menu button. Tech any
Okay, let's open the menu.
space. WLEDIC Alliance quick accessibility menu region. WLEDIC Alliance skip the
Now my focus does not go to the menu. I have to find it.
disable open the accessibility menu quick accessibility menu region N. Accessibility menu button user way accessibility main region.
Here it is.
Heading level 1 accessibility menu left parent can close the accessibility menu link how user way works dash read oversized widget. Oversized widget toggle oversized widget option
Okay,
checkbox not checked.
that's over.
Enable enhanced contrast toggle
No.
highlight links toggle button. WLED enable bigger text toggle button. Increase text spacing toggle button. Pause animations toggle button.
Okay, I'm going to pause
Space accessibility
animation.
menu. User way accessibility menu frame. Main region. Pause animations toggle button. To toggle the state press space bar. 3 Windsor. Enable dyslexia animations pause toggle button press.
So it says it's paused.
Moving targets colon manufacturing solutions apostrophe
I'm
stop
gonna
increase
go
text
up
enable
and
bigger highlight
close
link
it.
enable oversized link how user way works. Close the accessibility menu button. WLEDIC space. WLEDIC Alliance dash.
Okay, so I've closed it and I have paused
WLEDIC Alliance dash
the carousel. So that should
WLEDIC
help.
Alliance client
Whoops.
for colon CDMN soft landing program dash EOS oncology. WLEDIC Alliance TCK night 5
I'm
beyond
still
2020
getting the
colon innovation and
carousel
technology and channel
interrupting
dash
me.
10. Driving main
Main
region.
region. Let's
Employers
go
hiring in tech right
down
now.
arrow. Down arrow.
We can help you expand your established business. Tech NEWSW Letic unveils 5 startups in 2022 cohort of its annual Scale-Up Accelerator program. Tech News W Letic unveils 5 startups in 2022 cohort of its annual Scale-Up Accelerator program. W Letic unveiling. Let's get started.
Oh, this is not good.
Tech News no hiring digital mark.
Okay, so
W Letic Alliance client.
I paused the animation, but it's
W Letic Alliance.
And I did set the accessibility feature on.
Quick access. Skip the main content. Disable accessibility for visually impaired.
And yeah, it's on. Disable. So I cannot stop the carousel. Okay, let's have a look and see if the layout has been improved.
Quick accessibility menu region.
Okay, there's the menu.
Navigation region.
Navigation. Main region.
Wrapping the top. Quick
so the region layout format hasn't changed. It doesn't tell me anything about what the page actually is all about. Okay, here's heading 2. Okay. Let's go through headers.
Our vision heading level 3.
Our vision
heading level. Our network heading level 3. W Letic Alliance Innovation Catalyst Women.
I'm going to get a listing because it doesn't look like headers changed.
Heading list dialog. Headings list view. Our vision 3 of 22.
Okay.
Remove the items. Use the arrow keys.
So there is 22 headers. So the header layout hasn't changed. So I don't know what the accessibility feature does because we don't see a change in the region layout or a change in the header layout. We don't see a change with the pause on the animation of the carousel. So let's go back to the main region.
W Letic Alliance.
Now I'm going to go to the main region.
W Letic Alliance.
And I'm going to try to tab through it. So press tab key.
Main region. Let's get started link.
Let's get started link.
Targets manufacturing. Toolbar list with 1 item. Frame. TCK 95 Beyond 2020 Innovation and Technology and Chatham -10 YouTube list box. W Letic Alliance TCK 95 Beyond 2020
So I'm on a toolbar.
Windsor -Essex left quote Canada's automobility capital right quote on the world stage at the 2022 North American International Auto Show. Windsor -Essex left quote Canada's automobility capital right quote on the world stage at the 2022 North American International Auto Show.
This is the videos toolbar. Okay, so I think I can play some videos here. Enter key.
W Letic Alliance -home.
It's taking me back up to the top. So I have to go find that again.
Opportunity main region. Main region. Let's get started link. Toolbar list with 1 item.
Hey, there's the toolbar. And nothing's changed here. Toolbar N.
List box. Toolbar. List box.
So this toolbar is supposed to play videos, but I can't get into it.
Link.
Now following the toolbar
toolbar N
is what? Oh, it's taking
3 Windsor -Essex companies among 100 high-impact Canadians.
Okay, so there's a link with no text
Moving
label.
targets,
I press tab key.
W Letic Alliance Client Impact Med Health Summit Care link. W Letic Alliance welcomes new directors and advisors. Let's get started link. Tech NEWS W Letic Alliance welcomes new directors and advisors. Tech News W Letic Alliance welcomes new directors and advisors. Blog September 7th, 2022.
I'm going to try tabbing again.
Learn more link. Thriving under pressure and entrepreneurship. Blog Thriving under pressure and entrepreneurship. Blog Thriving under pressure and entrepreneurship. Tech News August 30th, 2022. Tech News toolbar list with 2 items. Tech News link.
Whoops, it said toolbar, but
Tech
where am I?
W Letic unveils 5 startups in 2022 cohort of its annual Scale-Up Accelerator program. Tech News W Letic unveils 5 startups in 2022 cohort of its annual Scale-Up Accelerator program.
So you see that it's on Tech News. So when I press the tab key, it's moving my focus, but because the carousel keeps moving items, it jumps my cursor to places I don't know where I am.
Blog 4 trends that could have a massive impact on tourism businesses in Windsor -Essex. Blog 4 trends that could have a massive impact on tourism businesses in Windsor -Essex. Blog link 4 trends that could have a massive impact on tourism businesses in Windsor -Essex. Tab button to activate. Press enter. 3 Windsor -Essex companies among 100 high-impact Canadian.
I don't know what that is. Let's go up arrow.
List with 2 items. Moving targets manufacturing solutions software elevates industry list box. Moving targets manufacturing solutions software elevates industry. Client news moving targets manufacturing solutions toolbar with 1 buttons.
Toolbar.
Heading level 2 tech news. Tool list box.
Oh, it's another toolbar.
Unlabeled 4 button.
And it's got an unlabeled button in
Driving under toolbar N. W Letic Alliance driving the link read all news.
Read all news.
Toolbar unlabeled 5 list box. Employers hiring in tech right now. Toolbar with 1 button. Government of Canada supports black entrepreneurs in Hamilton and heading level 2 tech news. W Letic Alliance client W Letic Alliance home.
Okay, so my focus has jumped to the top of the page. I have to find that list box again.
List of 6 items. List of 6 items. List of 6 items. Wrapping the top. List of 6 items.
Oh boy. Main region.
Tech NEWS.
And
Main region. Let's get looking to heading level 2 who we are.
Okay, let's see if I can.
Log 4, our vision heading level 3, our mission heading level, our network heading level 3, featured videos heading, become a client heading, what we do heading level 2. Business acceleration heading level 5, build and engage tech community championing tech and innovation heading level 5, tech news heading level 2.
There's tech news.
3
Now
Windsor Essex companies among 100 high-impact Canadian startups selected to
I'm gonna
participate
press
in
the
innovative
tab
new programs.
key.
AC colon W-Led Alliance home, moving targets manufacturing solutions
Okay,
software
I'm
elevates
in.
industry. Client news moving targets manufacturing solutions software elevates
I was
industry.
supposed
Client
to
news
be in
moving
a-
targets manufacturing
I'm
solutions
back at the home
software
page,
elevates industry.
the title of the
September
page.
14, W-Led Alliance home.
I go, let's try again.
Main region.
Okay, I'm
Driving
going to
under
go
pressure and
header,
entrepreneurship.
press
Driving under
headers.
pressure and who we are, our vision, our network feature, become what we do, business, build and engage tech championing tech and innovation tech upcoming events heading level, tech news heading level 2.
There's tech news, tab key.
W-Led
Okay, I'm in
WLEDIC unveils 5 startups in 2022 cohort of its annual Scale-Up Accelerator Program. Tech News WLEDIC unveils 5 startups in 2022 cohort of its annual Scale-Up Accelerator Program.
think I'm back
WLEDIC
at the
unveils
top
5 startups
again.
in
Okay,
Main
I
region,
can't get
toolbar
to
list with two
news,
items. Moving
so
target.
that's not an option I can take advantage
Tech
of.
WLEDIC Alliance partner. No frames found.
Okay.
Shift F9.
Okay, I want to
WLEDIC
look
Alliance
at
home.
the
Quick accessibility.
top of the page
Skip
where
the
we
main
have
disable
navigation
accessibility menu. Quick
information.
accessibility menu button. WLEDIC list of 6 items.
Okay, we noticed
Accessibility quick accessibility menu.
after the quick accessibility region, we jumped to the main region, and
Log
I
four,
noticed
transit.
there was a lot of
Double-letter line
information
innovation.
that I skipped right over because there's no headers and no subregions. So I have to keep hitting Control key to keep that
WLED
carousel
Three
from
Windsor dash Essex
talking to me. So I'm going to go down arrow.
accessibility menu button. List of 6 items.
Okay, we come to a
Moving
list of
targets, colon,
6
manufacturing
items, and we have no
Double-letter
idea
lines
what
like-
it is because there's no
WLEDIC Alliance
defining
help.
label.
Collapse visited menu link who we are.
Who we are.
Link collapse menu what we do. Link collapse menu how we help. Link collapse menu get connected. Link tech jobs.
Okay, so
Link
we
become a client. List
okay.
end.
So we see that
Driving under
there are
pressure and
some
entrepreneurship. Log
links
driving
there
under
we
pressure
can
and entrepreneurship. Log
expand.
link.
Now here's a link with
WLEDIC
nothing
Alliance driving
on it.
diversity
I'm
colon
going
women
to look
stand.
at the
WLEDIC Alliance
accessibility
employers element
tree.
information element information blank tag AS 9 parameters colon.
So I see it is an
Second
A
WLED
tag,
rep equals FDDFD dash Sosik
and
dash
it
Facebook.
looks like
WLED
Facebook.
description dash from equal display equals inline. Rep equals HTTPS colon
Yeah.
slash www.facebook.com slash WLEDIC Alliance. Opportunity.
Now I shouldn't have to
Tech news no
dig
hiring
into
colon
the
digital.
DOM
WLEDIC Alliance
of the
TZK
web
95
browser
beyond
to
2020.
find that information.
Escape. Link.
Okay, let's go down arrow.
Link.
Another link.
Link.
Another link.
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 Down arrow.
Link.
Link.
Log
Mine.
4 trends
Lots of
tab A
links.
massive link 519.
And here's a number. I'm going to
Rapid dash fire
press
questions with Caitlin
the
Carnes. Log rapid dash fire questions with Caitlin
JAWS
Carnes. Log
command to
rapid dash
give me
fire
the
questions with Caitlin
accessibility
Carnes. Tech
tree.
Element information element in blank tag AS 5 parameters colon.
It's another A
Display
tag.
equals inline. Rep equals L colon
Display.
plus 1 dash 519 dash 997 dash 2863. Style equals transition.
Okay.
Tag equals a.
It looks like a phone number,
WLED text dash line equals left. MSAA roll
but there's
equals
no
1E.
text. Okay.
Escape. Link.
Okay, down
Vertical
arrow.
bar.
And here's a
Windsor dash Essex
vertical
left quote Canada's
bar.
automobility capital.
Now, symbols should not be part of the
Driving under pressure and
page
entrepreneurship. Log driving under
content.
pressure and
That should be
entrepreneurship. Log.
styled using
WLEDIC
CSS.
send mail link info at WLEDIC-alliance.com. Employers hiring in tech
There's
right
an
now.
email.
Opportunity vertical bar.
Another vertical
Link
bar.
Frances.
Frances.
Second
Now, I assume
WLEDIC
this opens the
WLEDIC
French
Alliance teas.
version of the website. However, language
Opportunity alerts government of Canada.
tags in HTML are very important for screen readers. Otherwise, they cannot pronounce words properly.
Tech any shift F9. Tech news no hiring colon.
So web pages need to have a primary language indicator,
Tech any WLED.
so we know it's English,
WLEDIC
French,
Alliance.
or whatever. And any parts of
Log
the
four trends.
page need to have a language tag to let the screen reader know that this
Rapid dash.
text or this segment of the page is a different language.
Link. 3 Windsor dash
Now,
Essex companies.
here we are again with more links. Let's have a look.
Element inform blank. Tag AS 9 parameters cold class equals FDDFD dash Sosik and dash Facebook.
Oh,
Description
Facebook
dash from
again?
equals tooltip. Display equals in rep equals HTTPS colon slash slash
Another Facebook
www.faceescape.
link.
Link.
Okay, let's go down link.
Link. Link.
Go down.
Link. Link.
Lots of
Visited link
links.
site logo.
Okay, site logo. Now,
Driving
I
under pressure and entrepreneurship.
assume
Link. Visited link site logo. Employers hiring in tech right now. Opportunity alert.
it doesn't say image, so I'm not sure. Let's have a look.
Element inform blank. Tag FS colon PH has 0 parameters colon. Blank. Tag AS 7 parameter display equal explicit dash name equals true.
Okay, so
Opportunity
it's a
escape.
link, but there's no image there, so I don't know why
WLEDIC.
it says logo.
Visited link graphic sticky header logo.
Sticky
Tech news no
header
hiring colon digital
logo.
marketing and social media co. Visited link site logo.
The image is not described.
Tech NEWS
Site
Alliance partners with Future Skills
logo.
Center on Quality of Work Research Tech Navigation Region. Log 4 trends.
I don't know if those are necessary. So, you know, your
WLEDIC Alliance
accessibility
TZK.
quick fix solution should have put alt equals quote on those
Free
because
Windsor
there's
visited link site.
no no real image there to look
Navigation
at.
region. Moving
Okay.
targets colon commune factor.
Here we come to the navigation region,
List of 6 items.
and we see 6
Collapse
items.
visited menu link who we are. Double Atlantic
Who we
Alliance
are.
local link collapse menu what we do.
And these are collapsed.
Link collapse menu how we help. Link collapse menu get connected. Link tech jobs. Link become a client. List end. Navigation region end. Main region. Double
And
Atlantic
there's the
Alliance
main region. So you see there's a lot of information in there that I miss when I navigate by headers or
Employers
regions.
hiring in tech right now.
And
Navigation.
I don't
WLS
really
end.
know what all those links and images are
Tech
really all
NEWS
about.
link become a client. Link tech jobs. Link collapse menu get link collapse menu how we help. Link collapse menu what we
Okay.
do. Opportunity alerts government of Canada supports black entrepreneurs and link collapse menu how we help.
Let's look at this. I'm going to
Tech
expand
News Now
this
hiring colon
because
digital marketing and social media coordinator. Tech News Now hiring colon digital marketing and social media coordinator. Now hiring colon digital
stop. Okay, I'm
August
gonna-
9th, 2022 in Log Rapid.
I'm going to press enter.
Enter. Navigation region. List with 6 items. How we help client perks, sick jobs, for opportunity alerts, resources, expanded menu link. Log 4 trends that could have a massive impact on tourism.
Okay, I think I
Rapid dash fire
expanded
question
it,
with
so I'm going to
Cable
go
Farms. Log
down
rapid
arrow.
dash group start how we help client perks, tech jobs, board opportunity alerts, resources. Free Windsor dash Essex companies among list of 4 items nesting level 1.
So
Double Atlantic
there's
Alliance client impact
seems
colon
to
Metro
be
Summit dash
4
Oak Footwear. Double
items
Atlantic
here
Alliance Little scale up.
under this
Link client perks.
perks
Link tech jobs board. Double Atlantic
Tech
Alliance Little
job.
scale link opportunity alerts. Visited menu link resources.
resource.
List end nesting level 1. Windsor dash Essex left group end. Collapse visited menu link get connected. Double Atlantic Alliance driving.
Okay, so
Driving
let's
under
look
pressure
at
and entrepreneurship.
get connected. I'm going to press enter.
Enter. List with 6 items. Get.
Now,
Employers hiring in tech
it
right.
doesn't tell me it's
Double
expanded.
Atlantic Alliance collapse visited expanded visited menu link get connected.
Okay, so
Tech
pressing
NE
the
double
arrow
S double
key,
Atlantic unveil link tech jobs.
tech jobs,
Link become a client. List end. Opportunity
of
alerts
list.
govern navigation region end. List end. Link become a link tech job expanded visited menu link get connected. Tech news no hiring colon digital marketing and collapse visited menu link how we help.
Okay,
Expanded visited menu
so I've expanded it, but I don't see anything there.
link tech jobs. Expanded visited menu
Let's
link get
collapse
connected.
it.
Enter.
Up arrow,
Collapse visited menu link how we help. Double
Down
Atlantic
arrow.
expanded visited menu link get connected. Rapid dash fire question link tech jobs.
tech.
Link become a list end.
So that when I expanded
Link
that,
become a client. Expanded visited menu link get connected.
get
Double Atlantic
connected, I didn't find anything there, so I don't know how to get connected.
moving targets colon link become a client. List end. Navigation region end. Main region. Double Atlantic Alliance shift F9. Windsor dash.
Okay, I'm going to see if I can determine what events are upcoming. So I'm going to go
Driving
down,
up.
I'm going to look for the header, press H.
We are heading level 2. Our vision heading level 3. Our mission heading level 3. Our network heading level 3. Our featured videos heading level 2. Become a client heading level 3. What we do heading level 2. Business acceleration heading level 5. Tech NEW build and engage tech community heading level 5. Championing tech and innovation heading level 5. Tech news heading level 2. Opportunity upcoming events heading level 2.
Okay, here's upcoming events. Now I'm going to go down arrow.
Heading level 2 events. Tech news no hiring colon digital marketing and social media coordinate.
It says events.
Heading level 2 upcoming. Heading level 2 events.
Oh, there's 2 headings there. 2 H2 elements.
Visited link view all events. Double Atlantic Alliance
Okay, I
client
can
perk.
view all
Op
events.
5.
Now here's OC5.
Article.
Now,
Rapid dash fire
in
questions
an
with Cable
article,
Carnes. 1 p.m. dash 2 p.m.
1
Double Atlantic
p.m.
Alliance TCK night 5 dash heading level 3 link by article end. 3 Windsor.
okay, so these
five.
items are within an article, and I see the date,
Article. Moving targets colon manufacturing solution. 5 p.m. dash
and
7
within the
p.m.
article is the
Heading level 3 link
time,
Wednesday with article end. Oct 6.
OC6. So let's go back
Article end.
up. I
Heading left
want
5
to
p.
see,
Article. Oct 5. Article end. 1 p.m. dash 2 p.m. Article. Tech news win Oct 5. Visited link view all events.
now if I go down arrow,
Oct 5. Driving under
okay,
pressure and
here's the
entrepreneurship.
date, so that's today.
Article. Double
Now,
Atlantic Alliance
within
1
the-
p.m. dash 2 p.m.
Oh, so there's something at
Employers
1
hiring in tech
p.m.
right now. Heading level 3 link fireside chat vertical bar women to impact tech.
Okay, let's press enter and see where
Tech NEWS
that
double Atlantic
will take me.
Enter. Link tech jobs.
So I pressed enter, and I'm
Fireside
on
chat
a,
vertical bar women to impact tech. Fireside chat vertical bar women to impact tech. 3
Okay.
regions, 13 headings and 57
I appear
fireside.
to be on a new page.
Fireside chat vertical bar women to impact tech.
Okay, so the title page tells me, yes, I am on a new page. Let's have a look and
This
see
page contains 57 links.
57
There are 4
links,
regions.
4 regions.
There are 13 headings. 1 at level 1, 4 at level 2,
See, we have a heading 1 in this page,
7 at level 3,
but
1 at level 4. There are 4 forms. 1 at level 4, 7 at level 3, 4 at level 2, 1 at level 1. There are 13
yeah,
headings.
okay.
Escape. Fireside.
So let's
Fireside
have a
chat
look at the regions.
Quick accessibility menu region. Navigation region. Main region. Event navigation region.
Oh, there's the event navigation region.
Wrapping the top. Quick
And I go
accessibility.
to the top. Okay, let's look at the headers.
Fireside chat vertical bar women to impact tech heading level 1.
So there's the H.
Visited link left double angle bracket all events. Heading level 2 October 5th at 1 p.m.
I'm
dash
going
2
to go
p.m.
down arrow.
3.
It's free.
Fireside chat highlighting the stories and join Rocket Innovation Studio, University of Windsor Career Development and Experiential Learning, and WLEDIC Alliance for a Fireside, which will bring female professionals and students together to inspire success. 6.
Now you notice I don't have the carousel problem now on this page.
Panelists will share their stories of overcoming obstacles, advancing their careers, impacting the technology sector, and women who impact tech. Panelists: List of 5 items. Bullet Jessica Bondi, Senior Software Developer, Rocket Innovation Studio. Bullet Julie Perry, Team. Bullet Nual Jamas, Associate. Bullet Elena Q, Bullet Saranya Viswanathan. List end. Agenda:
Agenda.
List of 5 items. Agenda:
Now that should be a header. Within the main region, we see these content, but I have to use the arrow key. I cannot navigate by headers.
List of 5 items. Bullet 12:45 and doors open / registration. Bullet 1 o'clock and introductions and bullet 1:10 and 5. Bullet 1:45. Bullet 2 o'clock and event wrap up list end. Link plus add to Google Calendar. Link plus add to iCalendar. Heading level 2 details.
Detail.
Definition: list of 4 items. Date: October 5th. Time: 1 p.m. cost: free. Event categories: link community event. Link WLEDIC events. List end. Heading level 2 venue. Link EP Center. 2455 Wyandot, Windsor, Ontario. Link plus Google Map. Heading level list of 3 items. Link Wednesday-Wisdom-Networking- event Heading level 3 Link Wednesday Wisdom Networking event. October 5th at 5 p.m.-7 p.m. Link big data and I-20 blank. Heading level 3 Link big data October 6th at 8 a.m.-8 p.m.
So we see that I can read down through the main region using the arrow keys. However, I still have
Fireside chat
the accessibility feature turned on, I do believe.
Quick access of skip the main content, enable accessibility for visually impaired button.
Oh, enable. So somehow it got turned off. I didn't turn it off, but it automatically turned itself off when I went to a new page. And I don't think it really matters. It's if I turned it on, it really won't change anything.
Open the accessibility menu button. Shift F9.
Okay, I want to see if I can go back to the home page.
Fireside chat vertical bar women.
And I don't see any link here for home. Let's do a list of links.
Links list dialog.
Okay, so
who we are, what we do, how we help, get connected, tech jobs, become a http number 500 info at WLEDIC Frances https site logo, sticky header logo, site logo.
I wonder if that takes me to the home page.
Sticky header logo, site logo, who we are, what we do, how we help, get connected, tech jobs.
Okay, I don't see.
Who we are, site logo, sticky header logo, site logo.
Let's try that. I'm going to assume that takes me to the home page.
Enter.
And nothing happened, I don't think.
Visited link graphic sticky header logo WLEDIC list end. Link what we do. Visited link tech. Visited link site logo. Navigation read list of 6 items. Collapsed visited menu link who we are. WLEDIC Alliance -home. WLEDIC Alliance TCK Night 5-beyond.
Okay, so it did take me to the home page.
So news, moving targets,
it was a bit of a guessing game there.
Regions, 22 ahead.
Now there's no information here for me to get accessibility support. If I was wanting to get help with this website, I have no idea who to contact or where to go. I go to the bottom.
All images, designs and link. All images, designs and content, copyright 2022 link. Tech NEWSWLEDIC unveil link.
Okay, let's see what these links
element
are.
Information, element in blank, tag : before * for display = lock, double tag = / text line = center, MSAA role = 420, tag class = CFD - Sosican - Twitter, display = lock, tag = I, text line = center, WLED MSAA role = 400 blank, tag A as class = CFD - Sosican - escape.
I thought maybe one of these would be an accessibility link.
Link. WLEDIC Alliance. Log rapid fire questions with Caitlin Carnes. Log rapid fire questions with Caitlin Carnes.
So,
rapid quick accessibility and skip the main content, enable accessibility for visually.
I have to turn the accessibility back on. I press enter.
Scale up, enter. Client news, moving targets,
and my focus is, I think, at the top of the page, so I go down
quick
here.
access, skip the main content, enable accessibility for visually impaired. Open the accessibility menu button. Enable accessibility for visually impaired.
Okay, it didn't change. Let's try it again.
Thriving under pressure and entrepreneurship. Log enter.
No.
Open the accessibility menu. Enable accessibility.
Oh, I don't know.
Skip the main. Enable accessibility.
Let's try spacebar.
Space. Tech NEWSWLEDIC unveil 5-star quick accessibility menu region.
I gotta find it.
Skip the main content. Disable accessibility for visually impaired.
Okay. Disable.
Open the accessibility menu button.
Open it.
Quick accessibility user way accessibility menu frame. 10 main heading level 1 accessibility. Close the accessibility link out oversized widget toggle oversized enable enhanced contrast top highlight links enable bigger text increase text spacing pause animations toggle button.
Oh yeah, let's pause it.
Space. Accessibility menu. User way accessibility menu frame. Enable dyslexia friendly font. Animations. Pause.
Okay,
Toggle button
it's
press.
paused.
Increase
Okay.
the name. Highlight the name. Oversized. Link. Close the accessibility menu button.
Close.
Space. WLEDIC Alliance dash home.
Okay.
WLEDIC Alliance dash home.
So
Tech News 3 Windsor. Quick accessibility menu. WLEDIC quick skip to main content. Disable accessibility for
Okay.
visually impaired button. List of 6 items.
okay, so I see that
Collapsed visited menu. Link who we are. WLED link collapsed menu. What we do.
what
Tech
we do.
WLED.
Okay, so I tried to click
Collapsed visited menu. Link how we help.
how we help.
Link collapsed menu. What we do.
I'm going to look at what we do. Enter.
WLED enter.
No response. Let's see.
WLEDIC Alliance. WLEDIC Alliance. Link 519.997.286. Quick accessibility menu region. Skip the main content button. Enable accessibility for visually impaired button.
Oh, my button got
Open the
changed.
accessibility menu button. Enable accessibility for visually impaired button.
So somehow it got turned off again.
Open the accessibility. Enable a skip the main content button. WLEDIC Alliance dash.
So I hope this video demonstration helps you to understand the digital communication needs of people that use assistive technologies. It appears that the WeTech organization has no interest in accessibility communications, as there's no accessibility statement, no accessibility support on their page. As you saw, it is extremely important for page structure to be laid out properly so people can navigate and understand the content on your web page. Region landmarks, hierarchy of headers, proper text labels on buttons, links, and images all help people to understand your web page content. It appears that the WeTech organization has no accessibility communication program to educate their members or even encourage entrepreneurs with a disability to join their organization. So please do not follow this accessibility communication model. Reach out to an accessibility specialist and educate yourself on the digital communication needs of your customers. Thank you for taking the time to view the video.